Our Vision 2030 is for all of us. Kwete dzamunotimbinga kuhondo taidziti zvigananda. Place in the sun for a culture of equal opportunity where every Zimbabwean served in equal measure. Zvehubvanzubvanzu kudya kwemhumhi takazviramba. When our president says, leaving no one and no place behind, he is reminding us of this wartime covenant. A covenant we must all live by across generations, starting and including our very own. Zimbabwe belongs to all of us. We must share its God-given bound. Share its bound equally. So no one, not even the weak, the widowed, or the orphaned, are displaced or elbowed out by the strong in a mad rat race to grab unmerited privileges. Corruption has to end.